In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix iPhone camera not working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your camera permission. For that, launch settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option privacy and security. Now scroll down and head over to the option camera. Make sure the apps you want to use with the camera are enabled. If they are turned off, you'll need to enable them and then test your camera. Next, if your camera app is missing, you might need to check your screen time settings. For that, head back, navigate to the option screen time. Now scroll down, click on content and privacy restriction. Click on allow apps and features. Make sure you have toggle on for the option camera. Lastly, if your camera opens but shows only a black screen, you can force restart the device. For that, quickly press and release the volume up button, volume down button, and press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. And that's it. With these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.